Experts estimate that as much as 95% of our brain activity occurs in the subconscious. This means most of our daily decisions are driven by an internal force that operates below our conscious awareness, often reinforcing the very patterns that lead to failure. To change those outcomes, we have to look at the sequence of success. Every result you achieve is the end of a chain that starts with your initial programming. This programming dictates your beliefs, which shape your attitude, which triggers the feelings that ultimately drive your behavior. When that sequence is corrupted at the root by negative programming, it creates a cascade effect. It sabotages your behavior before you even take action, making success mathematically difficult to reach. Over the next 21 days, we are going to use 4 specific self-talk techniques to modify this software. This routine is designed to replace those subconscious scripts with new, constructive data. Before we break down the routine, you'll need a few tools. Pause the video now and grab a notebook, a pen, and your phone for its voice recording app. Addressing the programming at the start of this chain is a targeted way to influence the behavioral results you see in your daily life. Open your journal and write down the specific negative thoughts that surface when you think about your goals. Whether it's a fear of failing or a belief that you lack the necessary resources, get them out of your head and onto the page. These thoughts represent Level 1 and Level 2 self-talk, statements of negative acceptance. By repeating them, you are reinforcing a mental environment where taking risks feels like an unnecessary threat. Now, draw a bold line directly through those statements. This physical action serves as a symbolic rejection of those old scripts. Next, we move to the Better You stage. This involves drafting Level 4 affirmations, statements designed to challenge your current limitations. Each statement must begin with the words, I am. Use the present tense to describe the person you are becoming, such as, I am capable of learning new skills, or I am disciplined in my daily habits. When you process I am statements, you are providing your subconscious with a new set of facts to use as a baseline for your identity. Next, open your Voice Memos app. You're going to turn these written statements into an audio tool. Press record and read your new Level 4 statements aloud. Speak with clarity and the same conviction you would use if these statements were already your reality. This works because your brain recognizes and prioritizes your own voice over external input. Listening to your own recording creates a more direct feedback loop for your subconscious to follow. To finish your recording, include this statement of ownership. I am the master of my thoughts, and I only permit beliefs that support my growth to take root. A word of warning, these affirmations only work if they are backed by action. Relying on words without doing the work leads to a gap between your words and your reality, which often results in increased anxiety. In your journal, write down 2 or 3 physical habits that prove your new statements are true. If you say you are disciplined, your habit might be a 30-minute morning workout or reading 10 pages of a technical book. Affirmations provide the blueprint for your mindset, but these daily habits provide the evidence your brain needs to accept that new programming. We will now integrate this into a 21-day routine. Consistency is the primary way the subconscious mind learns and adopts new patterns. Step 1 is your morning protocol. Listen to your custom audio track the moment you wake up to set your mental state before the day's distractions begin. Step 2 happens throughout the day. Practice silent self-talk by catching negative thoughts as they appear and mentally replacing them with the affirmations you wrote down. Step 3 is your evening review. Return to your journal to filter out the day's stress and physically rewrite your primary goals to keep them top of mind. Step 4 is your night protocol. Look in a mirror and use self-speak, repeating your affirmations out loud to yourself one last time before you go to sleep. Repeat this 4-part cycle for 21 consecutive days. This duration is designed to move these thoughts from conscious effort into your automatic subconscious background. This cycle functions as a filter, helping you flush out external negativity and replace it with a programmed intent toward success. Take a moment to look at the toolkit you've just created, your journal, your habit list, and your custom audio track. You've built a framework specifically designed to catch and redirect the self-sabotaging thoughts you identified earlier. The world will continue to provide negative pressure. Maintaining this routine ensures your mental environment remains under your control. To lock in your commitment, go to the comments right now and type "Yes, I will." You are the gatekeeper of your own mind. By choosing your internal dialogue, you are now equipping yourself to read, learn, and grow with clarity. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep growing.